How to delete apps on iPhone. In this video, I will guide you how you can delete any apps or any games from your iPhone. Very easy steps. Let's start it. First, you have to just select which you want to delete your app from your iPhone. Just select the app. So now you can see we can delete this Snapchat app. So click on the long press and stop here. Now you can find here remove options. You have to just click on the remove options. So after click the remove options, you can find the delete app options. If there is no show the delete app options, then I will guide you the second step. So first step is this: click on the delete options and your app will be deleted. So what you can see here not will be that the delete option though, so that you have to just go to the back and now you have to just open your iPhone settings apps. So after opening the iPhone settings app, now you can find here you have to just do the one settings. Okay, so now you have to go to your general options and now you can find the iPhone storage. Click on the iPhone storage. So now you have to find here that app which you want to delete. So we can open here Snapchat and now you can see the delete app is options here. So you want to delete the app, then you have to just click on the delete and now you can see here app will be deleted. I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel Genuine Guide YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.